It's a station, SATIN, broadcasting after hours. If you're still awake, listen close. My thighs are sending Morse code. Ta, ta, dash. Silk gown slitted high, garter holding court. Moonlight through the blinds, writing secrets I never taught. My thighs are sending Morse code. Darling, can you read? Every little tremble spelling out exactly what I need. Tap, tap, pause, long, slow drag. Translate with your hands, no time to lag. Dot, dash, receive. My thighs are sending Morse code. Dot, dash, dot, come closer. Sugar, crack the code. Long dash, open me slow. Dot, dash, dash, don't ever let me go. My thighs are sending Morse code all night long. Tune in, baby, this frequency is strong. Stocking seems straight as an antenna wire. Your breath on the mic raising the fire. High on tap, once for yes, twice if you dare. 3 quick dots meet me in the air. Silk sliding off like static on the line. Every shiver a signal saying you're mine. SOS, then LOVE. Dawn threatening the horizon, but the broadcast won't cease. Thighs still tapping out their private masterpiece. Keep that dial locked, don't touch that switch. The station stays hot. Signed, sealed, your private witch. My thighs are sending Morse code. Dot, dash, dot, lose your self-control. Long dash, dive in deep. Dot, dot, dash, secrets will keep. My thighs are sending Morse code till the sun signs off and the whole world knows. Still transmitting, still tapping. Frequency never closes. Good night, darling. Or is it good morning?